We're here at some building. Oh wait, 466 Broome Street.
Let me see this. Oh, yep. Look at this door.
Wait, no.
Do you have to go on 2 doors? How are you supposed to do that?
What?
How are you supposed to get?
Wait, hold on, let me see.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh, I left the door open. We gotta close that later.
Overhead traction, I'm pretty sure.
Otis. Probably.
Yeah, this was a freight.
It's the base of the cab's original. Everything else is new.